Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter in English grammar, and that is verb the simple past tense. In previous video we have learnt about simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and today we will start the simple past tense. So now in this video we will learn how to use the past simple tenses. We use this past tense so often to talk about all kinds of things. For example, you can use this tense to tell someone what you did yesterday. You can also use this tense to tell somebody what happened in the world 500 years ago. So, whatever you are trying to describe that happened before, now you can use the past simple tense. Now here you see I have shown a timeline. Here you see now, and everything before now is in the past. So when we talk about the past simple tense, we talking about the time that is before now, an event or situation that started and ended in the past. Okay, we use verb in the simple past tense when we talk about action that happened in the past. So the simple past is used for action that have already taken place in the past or that has completed before the time of speaking. So we usually add d or ed to regular verb. So now see here what are the forms of past simple tense. Subject plus verb in past simple form. Subject plus verb in past simple form. Now we take a regular verb to walk. Okay. So how we form? So these are the subject: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So these are the subject. In that we use the verb walk, and in the past simple form it will be ed, because we usually add d or ed to regular verb. So how to make sentence? I walked, you walked, he, she, it walked, we walked, you walked, they walked. So this walked is a regular verb. So now some more example of regular verb in simple past tense that are formed by adding d or ed. He talked loudly in class last week. Talk, talked. So here talk is verb and talked, in that we added ed. So talk, talked. She combed her hair just now. Comb, combed. Here comb is a verb, and in that we added ed. They watched the movie last night. Watch, watched. Here watch is a verb, and in that we added ed. It becomes watched. However, some verbs are irregular. The simple past tense is not formed by adding d or ed. Let us look some example. Example of irregular verb which are not formed by adding d or ed. Jenny ate an orange just now. Eat, ate. Here eat is a verb and ate is a second form of verb. Eat, ate. Eat become ate. This morning I drank a glass of orange juice. Here drink is a verb and the second form of drink is drank. Drink, drank. My mother gave me a storybook last night. Here give is a verb and the second form of give is gave. So in regular verb we use ed. Work, worked. Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched. And in irregular we use verb second form. Okay? Go, went. See, saw. Buy, bought. So you have to learn this form. It is given in your book. See the last page, page number 80. It is given in your book. So you have to learn the second form of verb. So you have to learn this so that you can make the sentence easily. Okay. Now see some regular verbs in that we add ed. What are that? Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. And verbs ending in a silent e. In that case, we will add d. And what are that? Bake, baked. Use, used, because already e is there. So in that we will add only d. Here silent e is there. So in that case we will add only d. Verbs ending in consonant and y. Change that y to ied. So cry become cried. So here we will remove y and add ied. Study become study. So here we remove y and add ied. Okay. So you have to see very carefully. And if the verbs ending in vowel, if before y there is a vowel, so in that case we will add simply ed. Okay. Here before y, so you will add ed. Now CVC. In that cases, what you do? C means consonant, V means vowel, C means consonant. So in that case, what you do? You double last letter and there you add ed. So now here C, V, C. Okay. So in that case, what you do? You double the last letter. Stopped, plan, planned. Okay, so these are rules. You have to learn these rules. So now one very important thing also, past tense form of helping verb. Am is will change in was in past tense. Are is in present and in past we use were. Have, has is in present and had we use in past. do, does in present, and did we use in past. So these are the past tense forms of helping verbs. Now see here, exercise, it is given in your book. Option has been given here. You have to choose the option and complete this. Fill in the blanks of page number 45, page number 46, and this is a passage that also you have to do in your book. Okay, and page number 48 also. Okay, this also you have to do it by yourself. Write 5 things you did yesterday. So what you did yesterday, you have to write 5 things. Like, I did my homework. So what are the things you did yesterday? You write here. You have to write 4 more points. Okay, till that, thank you.